Welcome back everyone, Mike here. It is a beautiful morning here in Pennsylvania. Although yesterday it rained pretty much on and off all day long into the night, but I did manage to get a big brush pile burning. It's really hard to get stuff to burn this time of year around here because everything's so green and it's holding so much moisture. And that pile of brush that I was burning, a lot of it was a bunch of tangled up mess. Some of it was like poison ivy or poison oak. And a few of you mentioned before in one of the videos that I did when I cleaned up that mess, you have to be very careful when you burn that, not to breathe in that smoke and those fumes from that, because you could irritate your lungs and it could turn into a big problem. I get it just a wee little bit. I mean, I had a little bit on my arms and things like that, but not too bad. And what I did, the wind was playing in my favor. It was blowing that smoke away from me. And I managed to get some of it burned up, but I still have kind of a big pile of mess down there. So I think what I'm gonna do here this morning, while it's real wet like this, I can't venture too far from the house because everything's pretty muddy. I'm gonna get that fire going again, and then I'm gonna trim some limbs up along this side here and on the other side. This area right here is where everybody sits for the 4th of July party to watch the fireworks, and all the branches, everything always wants to grow in to try to get some sunlight. And even when you're mowing, it kind of turns into a real pain in the neck. You know, it's like from one week to the next, you're mowing and like, where'd that branch come from? But everything's always shooting out. So I'm gonna clean all this stuff up, try to get a fire going again, and we'll go from there. A lot of the branches that I'm gonna be cutting are low enough you could reach them from the ground, but I'm just gonna use the Stihl HTA 85 pole saw for everything. Won't take long at all. So that worked out really well. It took about 45 minutes to clean up both sides using the pole saw and the grapple. You know, if I was to do that all by hand, you're probably looking at 2.5 hours. I don't know. But doing all that, I literally didn't have to pick up one stick by hand. Just scoop them all up, take them down to the burn pit. And you know what? I was gonna light that fire up, but it's really windy here today, although it's still pretty wet. I think I'll wait till this evening when the wind dies down a little bit and I'll flame on then. But something I want to mention before I forget, last week, you know, we had that meetup at the Jeep Invasion in Butler, Pennsylvania, and we met a ton of people that watch our channel. And surprisingly, most of them, if not all of them, told me the same thing. They said, yeah, I've been watching your channel for a year and a half, whatever, some 2 years right from the beginning, and they never left a comment before. And I find that kind of funny, really. So there's a lot of people that watch and enjoy the videos that don't comment. So if you're one of those people, leave us a comment. Let us know where you're from and how things are going and things like that. And also, if you enjoy the videos, click subscribe, and you have to hit that little bell icon beside it, and you'll get notifications when we upload. All right, so next on the agenda, I think I'm going to do a little mowing this afternoon with the Walker and the Toro both, and then I need to go down and check the pond out and see if the water level has dropped at all. Like I said, we got a bunch of rain yesterday, and once that water level comes down a little bit, I need to do something with that spillway as soon as possible. But we're headed into the weekend. Looks decent tomorrow. I'm not sure about Sunday. I kind of quit even looking at the weather. You know, you just kind of get up in the morning and be like, yeah, it looks like a good day. I'm going to try to do something. Or when you get home from work, if it's not raining, you tear into something. But anyway, like I always say, if you enjoy these videos, please hit the like button, click subscribe, and share them with your friends. Thanks.